Hey bakers, welcome to a delicious adventure where we chase the cookie of our dreams. Today, we're on a quest to create the ultimate chocolate chip cookie, the one that everyone remembers from childhood, the one that makes you smile just thinking about it. It's more than a dessert, it's nostalgia, comfort, and pure joy in every bite. These cookies bring people together, spark laughter, and turn ordinary moments into sweet memories. No two cookies are ever the same, but the one we're after is soft, chewy, and absolutely irresistible. It's the kind of cookie that makes you reach for just one more, every single time. This is the cookie that bends, not snaps, and stays soft for days, if it lasts that long. It's the treat you hide from your family, hoping to keep a few for yourself. But what makes a cookie legendary? Is it the gooey chocolate, the buttery dough, or that perfect hint of vanilla? It's all about texture, a soft bite, a chewy center, and just enough structure to hold it all together. The magic is in the balance, where every mouthful is a little piece of heaven. We're unlocking the secrets to that perfect balance, so your kitchen becomes a 5-star cookie factory. Imagine the smell of fresh cookies filling your home. Forget dry, crumbly store-bought cookies. We're making the real deal. Homemade cookies that are gooey, flavorful, and unforgettable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total beginner, I'll guide you step by step. We'll tackle every tip and trick together, so you can bake with confidence. Baking should be fun, not intimidating. Let's make this a joyful, stress-free experience you'll want to repeat again and again. So grab your apron, preheat the oven, and get ready for cookie magic. The adventure is about to begin, and you're at the heart of it. By the end, you'll be the cookie champion of your neighborhood. Friends and family will beg for your secret recipe. Ready to bake the best cookie of your life? Let's get started. Grab your ingredients and let's make some magic together. The journey to cookie greatness begins now. Let's make every bite count. Why do we crave soft and chewy cookies? It's all about moisture. That irresistible texture comes from a careful balance of science and art, making every bite feel comforting and indulgent. When you bite into a soft cookie, it's the moisture inside that makes it feel fresh and satisfying, almost like it just came out of the oven. The right ingredients and mixing method trap moisture, giving you that tender, chewy bite. Mixing just enough keeps the dough soft, while overmixing can dry it out. The secret is to keep the dough slightly sticky, so it bakes up with that perfect chew. Gluten is key. Mix just enough to create structure, but not so much that the cookies turn tough. Gentle mixing helps the cookies stay soft, while still holding their shape. All-purpose flour is perfect for this balance. It has just the right amount of protein to give cookies structure, but not so much that they become dense or cakey. Brown sugar is our secret weapon. Its molasses attracts and holds water, making cookies soft and flavorful. The extra moisture from brown sugar is what sets chewy cookies apart from crisp ones. Use more brown sugar than white for maximum chew. This simple swap makes a big difference in both taste and texture, giving your cookies that signature softness. And don't overbake. Pull cookies when the edges are golden but centers look underdone. The centers will look a little glossy and soft, but that's exactly what you want for the best results. They'll finish baking on the pan thanks to residual heat. Letting them rest ensures the centers set up just right, staying moist and chewy as they cool. This is your ticket to a perfectly soft center every time. The result? Cookies that are gooey, rich, and absolutely irresistible. Science never tasted so good. With just a few tweaks, you can master the art of the soft and chewy cookie. Let's move on to the ingredients and see how each one plays a role in cookie perfection. Great cookies start with great ingredients, and every choice matters. Use unsalted, softened butter for lift and flavor control, ensuring a perfect texture. Brown sugar brings moisture and chew. White sugar helps with spread and crisp edges, creating balance. Eggs add richness and structure. Use a large, room-temperature egg for best results. Pure vanilla extract boosts every flavor, making each bite more delicious. All-purpose flour gives structure. Baking soda lifts. Salt balances sweetness and enhances taste. And of course, use good quality semi-sweet chocolate chips for gooey, melty pools of chocolate. Each ingredient has a job. Together, they create cookie perfection in every single bite. Now, let's put it all together and start baking. Time to bake. Let's get started on our delicious cookie adventure. Start by carefully measuring all your ingredients for the best results. Whisk flour, baking soda, and salt in a bowl until well combined. In another bowl, cream softened butter with both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add the egg and vanilla, mixing just until everything is combined and smooth. Gradually add the dry ingredients, mixing until just a few flour streaks remain in the dough. Gently fold in plenty of chocolate chips for that perfect bite. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This keeps cookies thick and flavors deep. Chilling is a game changer for texture. Once chilled, you're ready to bake and enjoy your homemade cookies. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees or 190 degrees C, so it's ready when your dough is. This step ensures your cookies bake evenly and get that perfect golden color. Next, line your baking sheets with parchment paper. This not only prevents sticking, but also makes cleanup a breeze and helps your cookies bake with smooth bottoms. Scoop the dough into even balls, spacing them apart so they have room to spread. Uniform size means every cookie bakes at the same rate. For that irresistible bakery-style look, gently press a few extra chocolate chips onto the tops of each dough ball before baking. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, watching for edges to turn golden while the centers stay soft and slightly gooey. Don't overbake. Cookies continue to set as they cool. Let the cookies cool on the pan for about 5 minutes, then carefully transfer them to a wire rack. This helps them firm up without overcooking. And of course, taste one warm. Consider it the baker's well-deserved reward. Store your cookies in an airtight container to keep them soft and fresh for several days. They'll stay chewy and delicious, ready for whenever you crave a treat. Serve your cookies with a cold glass of milk, turn them into ice cream sandwiches, or simply enjoy them on their own. However you eat them, you've earned every bite. And remember, nothing beats sharing something delicious you made yourself with friends or family. Homemade cookies bring people together. So gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and go forth to bake with confidence. The ultimate cookie is now yours to enjoy and share. Happy baking!